जब ये नमाज पढ़ने आते हैं उसके बाद फिर इधर उधर सेक्टर में घूमते हैं, चोरी वगैरह की इस टाइप की वारदातें बढ़ने लगती। लोगों में जैसे लेडीज आती हैं वही मेन रोड के ऊपर, वही स्कूल के बच्चों का छुट्टी का टाइम होता है, तो थोड़ा सा वो था, फियर फैक्टर था कि ये कौन लोग हैं, कहाँ से आते हैं, बाहर से हैं सारे।
गलत आरोप है, सिर्फ और सिर्फ माहौल ख़राब करने की उनकी ये मंशा रही इस चीज़ के अंदर। पिछली बार जो आरोप लगाया गया या उससे पहले भी कुछ लोग हैं जो अपने फेसबुक पे फेम पाने के लिए झूठा इस तरीके की खबरें फैलाते हैं। यहाँ पे पिछले शुक्रवार को या उससे पहले कोई भी किसी भी लड़की के साथ या महिला के साथ कोई भी छेड़खानी की या कोई भी अपराध की ना तो सूचना है, ना शिकायत है, और ना ही ये लोग आज बता पाए।
This has been instigated by not the residents, but a particular individual, Dinesh Bharti. He's created given the name of that body is like Bharat Mata Vahini, and he's been disrupting since March of 2021 with the same modus operandi across sectors. So he has done the same thing in Sector 39. He collected few residents, few people from the nearby villages, got women involved. He has really instigated. And this modus operandi is to kind of make sure that this side becomes disputed, and then the police, stops everyone from reading namaz or anything. And then he moves on to another sector. When he reached Sector 46 on 16th of April 2021, we filed an FIR and he was arrested for disrupting Juma namaz as well as the communal harmony of Gurgaon. So he was put behind bars for a day or two, and then he got a bail. Once he realized that Juma Namaz has started in about August, mid of August and September, he came back on 10th of September and did same thing in Sector 47. The following week, 17th of September, he came with more people. They were primarily his own associates and not much of the residents. But then the weeks after, he started kind of gathering, few residents. I think what they do not have an idea is that why Muslims are forced to read namaz in the open. We are forced to come and read in the open because we do not have enough mosques, especially the new Gurgaon. You have to read this namaz in congregation. And when these spots were chosen, it wasn't just random spots. They got it to Sector 47 because this was far away from the residential area.
इस मुल्क का तस्वुर गांधी ने किया हो, सांझी विरासत की बात की हो, जिसके कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ने कहा हो कि हर इंसान को उसके मजहब के ऊपर चलने की इजाज़त है, वहाँ नमाज न पढ़ने दी जाए, ये इससे ज़्यादा अफसोस की बात नहीं हो सकती। हम अपने मुल्क में हमें नमाज पढ़ने की इजाज़त नहीं है। ये किस किस्म का माहौल बना है इस मुल्क में? हमें इजाज़त दो, हम खुद अपनी मस्जिद बना लेंगे, तुमसे कोई पैसे नहीं मांग रहे हैं।
So far, the administration and the police has been cooperating and making sure that they're providing security. This is not nationalism. This is simply marginalizing the Muslim community over several issues. From the issue of what you're wearing, what you're eating, how you're praying. They've got a problem with everything which the Muslim community is doing.
The bureaucracy, the political class have responsibility. They are under obligation to earmark enough places for religious purposes. Firstly, while planning these urban areas, you don't keep enough space for religious purposes, particularly for those who are in minority. Number two is that even if that place is earmarked, the conditions are so onerous, the conditions are so arbitrary. For example, they will set out a condition that the population of that area should be of that percentage in living in that area, only then I will give you. Meaning thereby, if you are 500 in number, you will not be given mosque, or you will not be made available a place for mosque. That is not the constitutional principle. The constitutional principle is that this is basic right of every individual. The prejudiced bureaucracy and the political class, irrespective of the regime, they all play hostile attitude at the time of formulating the policy of new urban areas. It cannot be decided by majority view of that area that yes, we will allow this community and we will not allow that community. That is against the constitutional principles.